You tell the people why you're crying?
Why?
So you wake up in the middle of your sleep because... No, wait. You wake up in the middle of your sleep, start crying because I have a bowl of cereal and you don't? Huh?
Yeah.
But how you know I had a bowl of cereal? Your baby instincts?
Yeah.
That's a baby insider. You're getting mighty closer. Back up. Back it up. Excuse me, don't point at my bowl of cereal. Oh, you gonna move my camera. You just all types of ratchet right now. Go back to sleep.
No.
Oh, you wanna get slapped?
Mm-mm.
Okay, don't talk to me like that.
No.
I swear to God, if this bowl of cereal wasn't in my hand and I wasn't recording you, I'll slap the crap out of you right now. You're lucky I ain't cursed.
No.
You're really eating on meat. Move Dakota. This damn dog. Say hi to Dakota. Boo. No. You got